You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this French mathematician, engineer and physicist. By the way, if you want to learn more names from the history of mathematics, more names of theorems and equations that are very often mispronounced from Italian and others, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. Augustin-Louis Cauchy is the French pronunciation here. Augustin, Louis, yes, the S is silent, it's not Louis in French obviously, and then Cauchy. The CH is pronounced like SH, Cauchy. Augustin-Louis Cauchy. In English, you can pronounce it as Augustin-Louis Cauchy. Augustin-Louis Cauchy. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.